We're going to make ourselves a do-it-yourself dog ramp today. We all have aging dogs that we want to take care of and get in and out of the car. I'm going to show you a way to make a nice lightweight one for next to nothing, and it's probably going to be better than anything you find commercially. It's a 6.5 foot door. We're going to cut the end off here and save the plug on the end. We're going to cut it down at 4 feet and put carpet on it. So that's what we're going to do for today for you, and give it a try. It's pretty easy. All right, so the cut's done. Did a little bit of surgery on this. You pull out the core here, which this is on the end. Use this plug to fill this space back up. We're going to glue that, nail it, tack it in, and then we'll have our board, and it'll be ready for carpet. Saving this part to stick in the end here, so we're going to clean this up. All we got to do is glue it. Buddy, come on. Well, he normally cooperates. Found something to eat back here.